Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Okay, thank you for coming today. It's great to see you all here. Welcome to this health education session, and thank you for inviting me to speak to you today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Intan Pianit Putri. Please call me Intan. I am a student from Diploma 3 Nursing Universitas Muhammadiyah Tasikmalaya. I believe will be very benefits for all of you. First of all, I would like to extend my sense gratitude, and warm welcome to you all at this session. Thank you for taking me time to be heard. Your patience means a great deal to me, and I hope that what we discuss today will be very useful in your daily life. Today I am going to discuss a topic titled hydrotherapy as complementary intervention for lowering blood pressure in hypertension patients. I have divided this session into approximately 60 minutes. My first point will cover hot and thermoneutral water information. My second point will address this Chinese herbal food bed. And my third points will focus on water-based exercise hydrotherapy. I would like to ask you to can hold your question until end Q&A session at the end. Before we begin, I have a brief question to see that we already know. Please do not worry. There are no wrong answers. This question simply helps you learn together. 1. Has anyone ever heard of hypnotherapy? What do you think it means?
No.
Number 2. Do you any your family members have hypertension?
Yes.
Thank you for your response. Now let's ask experts the answers of today's session. Let me start my posing the question that hypertension. Hypertension is a chronic medical condition where blood pressure persistently measures as or below 140 over 90 millimeters of mercury. It is often called the silent killer cause. It rarely shows symptoms yet can lead to serious complications such as stroke, heart disease, and kidney failure. Even a small reduction of 5 to 10 millimeters of mercury can significantly lower this risk. Let me begin by telling you what hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy is a therapeutic method that uses water and liquids, steam, or solid form to promote healing and health. It works through validation, muscular relaxation, decreased sympathetic nervous system activity, increased endorphin reduction. The types we will discuss include water immersion, Chinese herbal food bed, and water-based exercise. Let's now turn to first type, Breshit or Rosbooks et al. A single session of water immersion at hot temperature around 40 degrees Celsius or more neutral around 36.5 degrees Celsius. Can reduce systolic blood pressure by approximately 6 to 7 millimeters of mercury within 24 hours. This effect affects further decision lasts 40 or 20 or 40 minutes. The mechanism works through initiate vasodilation, increased peripheral blood flow, and reduces vascular resistance. This is a simple horse therapy with meaningful cardiovascular benefit. Moving on, let me ask to join the Chinese herbal food bed. According to et al., soaking the fields in herbal decocts Soaking the phrase in herbal decoction water can reduce systolic blood pressure by approximately 6.69 mm of mercury and diastolic blood pressure by 5.83 mm of mercury. The herbal substance absorbs through the skin and stimulates reflex point in the fat, improving blood circulation, and its almost effect. The combination with conditional treatment has minimal side effect and easy to perform at home. This brings to me the final point. Water-based exercise. The set is systematic first by Agrain. All studies consistency show significant reduction in blood pressure. So water gymnastic, floating in water and water aerobics. This differ in and especially step for LDT patient and those with physical limitation. As water buoyancy reduces joint load, it improves cardiovascular fitness and promotes relaxation. Now I would like to draw your attention to practical demonstration. Please observe careful. Birds prefer to bathe with warm water at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. Check with a thermometer. Sit comfortable, then immerse both feet up to the exclus for 20 to 30 minutes. After the session, rinse your feet with a clean towel. Rest for at least 10 minutes and measure your blood pressure 15 to 30 minutes after the product. Document the results. Tests can be done on share and a day at home as a complement to your prescribed medication, not as a replenishment. Indication and contraindication. Hydrotherapy is indication for patients with stage 1 or 2 hypertension, ambulatory patient, and those using antihypertension medicals as injured. However, it would not be performed by patients with often worse of the fat. Neuropathic several radial instability or static hypertension or pregnant women. The things to remember is always consult your health care provider before starting my complementary therapy. According to researcher, nurse shows also monitoring blood pressure before and after execution and ensures safe water temperature. Right, we have now cooperative and the main point. Before I move the casting evaluation, I would like to open the floor for any my question. Is there anything you would like to ask or verify? Please feel free to raise your hand.
How can hypertension be prevented?
The way the preference is made, reduce salt intake, add whole foods, fish, vegetables, whole fat. Exercise regularly maintains an ideal body weight. Now, the main points that have been made are summarized intense evaluation question. I would like each for you to answer verbally. Let me see how much we have learned together today. One, what is hydrotherapy?
Hydrotherapy is therapeutic method that uses whether liquid, steam, or solid to promote healing through vasodilation, relaxation, and improved circulation.
Can you name answers to to hydrotherapy for hypertension management?
Water immersions, Chinese herbal pot bath, water-based exercise.
How do you correct from warm water for soaking at home?
Prepare water at 38 to 40 degrees Celsius. Soak feet up to ankles for 20 to 30 minutes. Dry feet, rest for 10 minutes. Check blood pressure after 15 to 30 minutes.
And then, who should not perform hydrotherapy? Which are the contraindications?
People with open wounds on feet, severe peripheral neuropathy, severe cardiac instability.
Can hydrotherapy replace antihypertension medicals? Why or why not?
No, it cannot replace medication because it replaces medication because it is only a complementary therapy, not a substitute for prescribed treatment.
To review our main comments is this. Hydrotherapy is safe, accessible, and evidence-based complementary therapy that can support blood pressure management in hypertensive patients. We have covered three cases: type hot and the thermochemical water information, Chinese Alberto Beach, and water-based exercise. All supported by recent international research. Lastly, to finish, hydrotherapy is almost effective when used alongside medical treatment, not a replacement for it. I truly hope that today's session has been beneficial and to apply hydrotherapy as part of the healthier life fell and proved to apply hydrotherapy as part of a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for your attention and let me finish. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.